John Quinto getting a lot of minutes as a starter for Meralco. We are just about ready to put the ball into the air. Just making sure that everybody is in their proper places, and we are underway with this first game. For one, energy drink.
We're trying to look at itong Alaska Aces showing in parading.
The other side, shot clock down to 3. Newsom grabs it, takes it away, spearheads the attack! Listen, na sinabi sa'yo, mag-ingat ka. Biglang nahulog yung something, isang hollow block. Durham! So familiar already with many of the regulars of Meralco as he sends it to Newsom a little, defensively, because their confidence is oozing because it's holding. As this shot will work, it's not
lower against itong Meralco.
We have it on good word. And the only import who had beating by 26 against NLEX, and that lead disappeared.
Trouble whenever they're on defense and nagkaroon ng mga switches and screens because there's a po sila dyan.
Tagal nung tira. Akala ko titira kay Ahan Misi with the drive. And the court, you can tell. Come up with 2 people have won the Mr. 100%, and they're both in the building here tonight. Norman Black was the first. And exactly. And first free throw by court as we bring you to the SEA Games starting November 30, mga kaibigan. Pagandaan ho natin, November 30, looking inside, sends it over to Newsom, who started here today. Newsom gallops inside, the turnaround shot.
Just amazing. I mean, we lost them in the second.
Here in the first 12 minutes, Amer decides to take a crack at it and nears the long.
It's Barangay Ginebra, Meralco, and TNT have
2 championships already. Would find this third conference so difficult with all the problems they've encountered. Import and others are performing. And the meanwhile, here's that inside boy. Nice block by Huxley, who was doubtful for this game, but he was given the clearance to play. He's already on the floor and
they kick out the ball. Wala siyang magawa.
Pinabantayan yung strong side niya. Paundo!
Nakakatakbo.
Ahan Misi, Casio needs to explode as well. Casio driving hard, forces it up. Defying stereotypes, drilled it in. Alain. Yes! Active na. Runner. May foul, may sub. Penetration. Oh boy, clean up shot.
Field 14 rebounds.
Here's an open shot by the boss. It won't work. Rebound. Casio could not squeeze the trigger. Does he go underneath again? No, he changes direction. He drains
in the lineup. Hopefully he can get enough rebounds for them. But that didn't happen.
Yaso.
He's gonna have to lead a very young team. Silang dalawa ni Sunny Thos.
Karam.
With that
slowing it down. Toss on the switch.
If you would remember that earned him PBA Player of the Week.
Get erupted here in this game. Amer cannot elevate. Shot clock down to 4. Durham drains it. 8:14 to go in the second frame. Toss lobs off 16-footer that stays in. Kick out. Nice open shot. It will go. And tries to break down the wall. 2-man game. Amer throws up a prayer, no dice. And through the years. Bigyan nga ng uniform. First free throw. Durham to the wide open Alain Maliksi.
No.
Can't create. Hemmed in. House. 4 seconds in the shot clock. Nice turn around. Kasama sa SEA Games presented by Smart. Penetration. No. Kung pwede hipan, ano? Ganda ng double beat.
Markadong to si Aras.
Huli.
Alain Maliksi had 2 guys on him.
Tap. He drove. Wala walang in-between. Ito, nako.
Gusto papuntahin and then they trap and force him to commit the turnover.
Well said. That's exactly what they're doing. And ginagalaban, hinok ni Tratter pabalik. Natapik, takbo sa karera. Amer changed direction.
Tingnan mo naman yun.
Firstly, Baser Amer knew that a taller person was in front of him. In the meantime, the shot of Manuel is blocked. Alain Maliksi the next round.
Mag-isa lang sinusam na trailing in the rest.
Alaska, they will wait for the winner of the TNT Magnolia duel. Presented by Ahan Misi. Fouled by Amer.
That was a good.
Trying to find out their new character.
But no shit, they got the numbers.
Hook shot. Yun. Rebound. And that will be all for this first half. In the first quarter and held on in the second.
Dictated that game.
So yun ang new Cobra by just couldn't nail it.
Again, Casio started here in the third quarter kasi nga maganda ang kanyang pinakita. But on the other hand, after...
Na lang yung basket, yung bola sa basket actually. Here's a scoop back. Hook shot.
Sloppy start here in the third quarter though.
Kasi umasta. Pinadala sa kanto, libre. Papasok na ba?
So, and with those short stabs, it masakit.
Durham drags Stratter in house. Scoop past the toss.
Oh, good find. 10 na lang pong kalabaw.
Good cut by Newsom. New order.
You know, after you thought na Alaska's gonna have a mini run, bigla na lang sumagot ng
Parang
Meralco.
namatay, ha? But the ball finally gets to Durham. And a hook pass to Almas.
Overall contribution, he's a steady force.
Lead is 12, 57-45, 6.5 remaining. Gotcha drags it inside, brings it to the Maliksi. Returns for possibly more action as Durham.
He's got squared up body posture.
That'll go. Toss recycles the offense. He's hemmed in. He has nowhere to go. It's on the ground. He fights for it. And it will... 9:50. Lead with as much as 20 was posted earlier. And it's a huge run by Alaska here. And there's a... Second. Ooh, 2 misses. Malik. Schedule. TNT with a twice to beat. And that's a big Manuel. And a push by Paundo. And a counter by Paundo. And a body slam. And the big two. Big Manuel dividing his... Yeah, clearly so.
We didn't see this in the first 2 quarters.
Alaska outscoring Meralco 22 by that huge deficit earlier. And Ciso has been lighting the fire. To Newsom. Durham swings left, goes right, presses away. Anybody inside gets it because there might not be enough time. So malamang yan 2 out of the 4 official broadcasters, 5 at Signal. Sama-sama sa laban, sama-sama SEA Games. Presented by Smart. Oh, good up.
Look at Alaska run.
Oh, good stretch, but no. 2 free throws. Nice pass to Kara.
No.
Open. Points. And here's the final heave by House. Yeah. 100%. Here's Strutter. Kara fakes. Maliksi loads up.
And that just deloads it.
We're up to the races. Casio open pass. Casio cranks it up. Durham fakes, shakes, and scores. Strutter eaten up.
A little bit at ease. The fact that binuhat niya. No.
Now he knows.
Oh, again. Another offense.
But you know, Meralco has kept it close. Second free throw. Sama-sama tayo sa SEA Games. Presented to you, of course, who are participating in the PBA. Newsom attack. He made the adjustment by Meralco. The fly. 10 remaining. Now the pass to Casio.
An open shot.
Nice pass.
Gunning for their head.
Especially in this conference.
They just don't know if it's a strike.
Durham hooks it again. Casio counters. Sends it to Quinto. Can't knock it. It's going to be San Miguel.
It's a 4-on-2 break. Hey!
Oh, Maliksi with the
Down for that fast break.
Amer taking it away. No, follow up. Habol yung Alaska. Siyang kakasyon.
That's right.
The shot, no, but there was a... Durham, 2 guards. Ano maagaw yung go with this free throw.
And Meralco is so happy right now. They are back in the semifinals.
And look at this.